What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to prove trig identity tan theta minus sine theta divided by sine cube theta equals to 1 over cosine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. So I will have sine theta divided by cosine theta, wasn't here, minus sine theta divided by 1 over sine cube theta. Then you can factor sine theta. It's going to be 1 over cosine theta minus 1 over sine cube theta. Then you can cancel this sine with the 3 here. It becomes 2. So it's going to be sine squared theta. And here I have 1 over cosine theta minus 1. So I will have common denominator, so it's going to be 1 minus cosine theta over cosine theta divided by sine squared theta. Then instead of sine squared theta I can write 1 minus cosine squared theta, because we know sine squared plus cosine squared is 1, and then I write it again. Here I have difference of squares. I factor it like that. 1 plus cosine. Right? You know a square minus b square equals to a minus b times a plus b. I use the same technique in here. From here to here. Then after that you can cancel these two because they are the same thing. And then it becomes 1 over cosine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. So as you see here, that's exactly what you see on the right hand side of the equation. I hope you like this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.